How to animate still photos in Capcut. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, make sure that you have an updated version of the Capcut application on your device, and then just open up the Capcut application on your device. Now I've already selected a project over here and I've already added a photo over here as well. So as you can see, this is a photo that I've added over here. Now to add the animation or have the animation on this photo, what I can do is just tap on the image over here and you can see the option of animation at the bottom of the screen. So just tap on animations and here you can see different options that you can do and add onto this photo. So for example, if I'm going to add this Kira magic over here, so let's just see how it turns out. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed watching it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today. See you next time.